in me. You've got a lead in me. When the web is rough and the CTR is low, and you're miles and miles from a sail, you know, just remember what your old pal said. Boy, you've got a lead in me. Yeah, you've got a lead in me.
You got a lead in me. You got a lead in me. You got troubles, I've got 'em too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you.
We stick together and we see it through, 'cause you've got a lead in me.
Yeah, you've got a lead in me.
Some other brands might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, maybe, but none of them will ever love your data the way I do. It's me and you, boy.
And as the years go by, our conversions stay high.
You're gonna see it's our destiny. With Calvin Lee by your side, we're gonna enjoy the ride. You've got a lead in me. You've got a lead in me. You're gonna reach that KPI, just wait and see. From the landing page to the CRM spree,